How the 7-step process relates to the characteristics and traits of a PLC process. Introduction. Schools are continually investing in strategies that help teachers and students improve the learning experience. The professional learning community, PLC, and the 7-step guidelines are examples of such initiatives. Both approaches endorse collaboration to achieve incessant learning, which ultimately improves the scholar's learning outcomes. The two schemes possess similar characteristics and traits that affect teachers in areas such as collaboration, creating common formative assessments, analyzing data, collecting and evaluating scholars' work, and guiding instructions. Main body. The PLC is a continuous learning procedure that involves collaborations between educators. The partnership enables them to contribute constructively to active research to improve the schoolchildren's experiences and enhance their results. Thus, the PLC involves collaboration, shared leadership, and unceasing learning. The PLC presumes that the apprentices, teachers, and principals are learners and engage them in constant active learning. Therefore, the PLC establishes a learning environment guided by a set of values and dynamic dialogues. PLC shares common characteristics and traits with the 7-step outline. The 7 stages of professional learning teams are also a constant learning technique that emphasizes collaboration to improve learning. This structure borrows its concepts from the PLC structure. The framework comprises 7 steps through which specialized learning progresses. Each stage defines the actions that the expert team must take and offers suggestions for moving forward. This guideline relates to the PLC method in that it encourages collaboration between teams to achieve constant learning. Similar to the PLC, the 7 phases also recognize the importance of an enabling environment for successful learning. Both strategies acknowledge the importance of sharing personal practices to acquire new ideas. Sharing enables novice teachers to obtain the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes from expert instructors. The 7-step approach can affect teachers in different areas. For example, the methodology requires educators to work collaboratively with team members and learners to achieve higher academic performances. Therefore, the tutors are likely to exhibit similar decisions regarding the curriculum, instructions, and evaluation methods due to the shared practices. The shared valuations enable the lecturers to use standard terms to define instruction outcomes and the evidence required to document success. The coaches may also demonstrate similarities in how they design milestones and goals due to the common practices. Step 5 of the charter discusses how the trainers should analyze student learning. The trained learning teams shift their attention from teaching to empowering and, therefore, spend more time exploring areas of improvement for each student. The group must act as mentors and offer emotional support in addition to formal education. This framework affects the skilled team in that it must adjust its structure and tools and focus on offering more than knowledge. Conclusion. In conclusion, the PLC and 7-stage expert learning systems require coaches to engage in collaborative groups that promote cooperation to attain the best learning outcomes. The two procedures are similar in that they provide guidelines on how the instructors can achieve the partnership. The 7-part instruction policy influences the educators in that they use similar approaches to create formative assessments, analyze students' work, and guide instructions. The similar characteristics and traits are a result of the collective knowledge that the team members share, which enables them to establish mutual standards for performing their duties.